Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss about advanced manufacturing process. In that, unit number 2, advanced joining process. Topic name is electro beam machining. Okay, I will draw electro beam machining to you. This is a workpiece. Okay, this is a electron beam. Okay, this is the table or manipulator. Okay, this is a focusing coil or lens so that it can focus on the workpiece. It has low voltage DC. Now this is a cathode electron or electrode. This is filament supply. Okay, this is AB gun housing, and this is tungsten filament. This is how the figure of electron beam welding. Now I am going to explain this diagram for you. I will first explain the component. This is the cathode electrons. This is filament supplied, tungsten filament, low voltage, that is plus positive negative, electron beam, it is the workpiece, manifold, manipulator means it is stable, focusing coil, that is lens, and etc. has the component. Now how it works. This workpiece is used for, or this electro beam machining or electro beam welding is used for to join two parts. Okay, when this cathode anode gives the kinetic energy to electro beam, and cathode gives potential energy. Cathode means what? This gives a cathode gives a potential energy to the electro beam. Due to this, what will happen? The focusing length, this focusing length will focus the potential energy and kinetic energy to electro beam. So electro beam will focus on workpiece by, here is vacuum chamber. Vacuum chamber means what? The lens come from cathode and anode, which focus on workpiece in vacuum chamber, so that the material that should be melt or welded, it can be melt easily. This is how the working of electro beam is carried out. Thank you for watching this video.